Hey there, I'm super excited to invite you for a free masterclass that I'm hosting roughly around 90 minutes on how to become an AWS Certified AI Practitioner, complete roadmap and learning path, which is happening on this coming Tuesday on morning 7 a.m. Pacific time or 10 a.m. Eastern time, 3 p.m. UK time or 7:30 p.m. India time. And before I go on say what you can expect in this, first let's look at why you should be doing this AWS AI practitioner, why on AWS AI on AWS, why AWS or why AI or AWS on AI. AI is trending and there are tons and tons of jobs in AI. It's a 1.3 trillion market size by year 2032. So huge demand for AI. And if you look across the globe, whether it's US, Canada, UK, Europe, Asia, Pacific, Middle East, wherever you go, there are tons and tons of AI related jobs. And as per survey done by AWS and other market leaders, or research industries, AI or someone who is in IT with additional knowledge of AI, they are getting paid 47% higher. Now, within AI, then AI relies on to scale, to deploy, to run, and build an underlying infrastructure to run AI-based applications. You need cloud as an infrastructure, and within that cloud, there are four major providers. AWS is the leader in the fifth or on the 15th consecutive years. Now, AWS has multiple certifications where we are going to talk about is this AWS AI Practitioner, which is under foundational certification as well. So we're going to look in this program or this free master class what exactly this certification is about. But before go on say what you're going to learn, let's quickly talk about why it should be good to learn in this absolutely free class. So I'm going to give you the complete roadmap, which is tried and tested by hundreds of guys, some as early as during the early adopters when initially this certification was introduced, like someone guys like Venkatesh, Rudvish, Yavar, Gav, Manjul, Niharika, Manikwa, Ingrid, and hundreds of guys who have done this certification with this proven roadmap and path as well. So you'll see them. We'll be talking about how they've done it so that you can learn and understand from that as well, including the same who has done the certification as well, including me. I have done, I'm also going to, if time permits, I've done or run my proven three-step framework to go from how to go from knowing what with your existing skill to earning in excess of 300,000 plus salaries in AI with the proven three-step framework. So not only this, they've got certified, but also help in getting a job. Like Steve got a job as AI engineer. Devashish got a job as initially cloud engineer, then AI engineer. Shovik got a job as senior enterprise architect. Devesh as a solution architect. Dinesh as a program manager. SJ, she almost doubled her salary. Her husband got a new job, and so on. So with that, let's look at what you're going to expect in this free masterclass. We're going to first begin with AWS core services. There are eight of them or seven of them. I'm going to look at high level, and within that, what are the associated related services that will be helpful for AI and all the other things which will be needing to run and deploy these AI services. And within that, all core services, then we're going to look at services related to AI, machine learning, generative AI, and agentic AI related services on AWS cloud. So we look at also things like what is generative AI, what is RAG, which is a retrieval augment generation, what is prompt engineering, what is fine tuning, what is responsible AI on AWS cloud, which is one of the topics within this certification. We'll also look at foundation models, including Amazon Bedrock, the service that through which you build the generative AI, agentic AI based applications. Then we are also going to look at the 5 domains within the certification, what those are, and how to prepare, including things like concepts and AWS or AI machine learning concepts within AI and AI AWS related services for that. We'll also look at the domain 2, fundamental generative AI. Domain 3, application of those foundation models within using AWS services. Also domain 4 about guidelines for responsible AI, and then domain 5 will wrap it up with security, compliance, and governance of AI as well. We'll also give you the step-to-step path, learning module-wise to learn and understand this and getting not only certified, but also learn using hands-on labs. So Amazon Bedrock or prompt engineering, Amazon Q, which is another service on for building like very easy, intuitive business users to build AI-based applications. The AI, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI on AWS cloud. AWS managed services, there are pre-built, predefined services within AWS, those managed services. SageMaker, more for machine learning and more advanced machine learning, custom or building your own models, etc., using SageMaker. Challenges responsible within AI, security services for responsible for securing AI solutions AWS certification. And then finally, you prepare for this exam as well. We'll also give you all the hands-on lab. You can in fact check it out immediately now on what all hands-on lab you should perform so that not only you get certified, but also do it or learn by doing the stuff on AWS cloud. We'll also give you give you an opportunity how you can get hold of 200 plus sample exam questions. So before you go for the certification, you know how to practice whether you can clear the exam or not. So sample exam questions as well. We'll give you this entire roadmap. I'm also going to talk about how you can get hold of not only just the certification, but all the prerequisites that you need to clear the certification, like cloud for beginners, AWS for beginners, the generative AI basic concepts that will help you to clear the certification as well. Now, if you're interested, how to register, below this, there'll be a URL, which is k2academy.com/AIF, which is AI Foundation, AIF-10. And there you will have an opportunity to enter your name, email address, and also your WhatsApp number so that you get notified about the WhatsApp over the WhatsApp when the session reminders and some more useful session things. As soon as you register, you'll get an email. And once you get an email, you'll also be added into or invited to join a free WhatsApp community so that you get more tips as well. And also there's some goodies. If you attend live, there'll be some sample exam questions you'll be getting for those who attend live and stay till end as well. So with that, this is Atul from Team K2 Academy. Looking forward to see you inside this free class that's happening in coming. So I'll see you and look forward to see you in this free class. Take care and bye for now.